Welcome to Connected Coaching. This short screencast is for you if you're not real familiar with navigating a Ning platform. We're on the main page right now, the Community Hub. This is where you'll land to be able to get to this is a very public space, and you're welcome to explore here. To get to our private e-course space, come over in the navbar to e-courses, come down and click on Connected Coaching. This is our private Connected Coaching e-course space. Please note that this right-hand column is not part of the e-course space. That column is part of the main hub. You'll always find a very brief information about the Connected Coaching e-course and a welcome here. I call this main page our splash page. This section of the splash page, the welcome, will change often. Right now it has lots of information about our course. Contact info, there's a very short 2-minute course overview, dates for the course, when our webinars are. Webinars are on Wednesdays from 7 to 8:30 p.m. We use an adapted flipped classroom concept, and if you're not familiar with that, you can use this playlist to learn a little bit more about it. There will be right here in this space 2 screencasts talking about navigating the space and how to follow discussions. There will always be the weekly topics, and the weekly topics will always be linked to an overview page. So we're going to go to week 1 introductions, and on the overview pages for each week there will be a short description, essential questions, dispositions that we'll be addressing, standards, and then the assignments for the week. In addition, there'll be a playlist with the main resources for the week, and there's a description about the playlist here in week 1. At the bottom of each week page there will be links to the discussions. For example, the very first discussion that I hope you participate in is the Getting to Know You discussion. I'm going to go back to the main page of splash page of our course, and I'm going to use the breadcrumbs right here at the top of the discussion. So going back to Connected Coaching, and we're going to scroll down again, and we were in the weekly topics. Each one of those will be linked as we come to them. The weekly topics will always be on the splash page, but what's above it, that will change often. Below that you'll find the discussion forums, and there are 4 listed for this very short first week. What you will find that they will pop up to the top as you reply to them, so the ones with the most recent replies will always be at the top. There's another, so you can access the discussions here, or you can access the discussions from the overview page for each week. Please note too that I've tagged each set of discussions by week and topic, so if you come here and you want to see all the discussions for week 1, another way to find them is simply to click on the week 1 tag, and you'll find all the discussions for week 1 right here. I'm going to use my breadcrumbs again, and I'm going to go back to Connected Coaching. Before we scroll back to see the final feature at the bottom of the page, I would like to share with you what's right here on this side right here. This will start to fill. There will be images of the members that join our group, and pages is another important feature. On the pages you will find the links to access the webinars. I'll be sending out an email with that link, but you can always find it here, and you can always find links to the archives of each of the webinars. We've got a help desk for any questions, a cafe. Social place is real important in any online space, and so this is a place to chat about anything social that's going on, and you do that by replying in the comments. You probably would like when you come to this page, it's not going to say stop following. It's going to say follow. And you want to click on follow so that it says stop following. And that means when anybody adds a comment to this page, you'll receive a notification. And so you'll know something's there and you can go look at it. Right now, I've already posted a video there. It's a short video, and wondered what connections you might envision between the video and our learning and our context. I'm going to go back to breadcrumbs again to Connected Coaching, the splash page. Information about your creating a learning pledge and the syllabus for the course are here. Information about graduate credit, information about the Connected Coaching Toolkit, and then course contact info. Eventually, all the main course contact info that's over here is going to move to page 7. Most of it's already there, so that we don't have to scroll quite so much on our splash page. And then I'll be adding the pages for each week, along with any other things that we think are necessary for us in our learning. The pages after page 10 don't always display on the front splash page, and you have to click View All to be able to see all of them. Okay, I'm going to scroll back down again. Below the discussion forums is a comment wall. On this platform, if you want to leave a comment for the group, put your comment in here, click Add Comment. Everybody will get a notification of the information that you've posted. In addition, you can contact everyone in the group by using this link right here. Send a message to the group. I hope this helps a little bit with navigation in our private space. I'm looking forward to all that we can learn together.